March 3rd, 2019. Busted out this business here. The whole roof gone. From an angle higher up, you can see down into it a good bit more, obviously, but it's an old building. This thing has changed hands a number of times, different businesses, but that roof, portion of the roof, is right over here. Yes, sir, buddy. It wasn't, it was kind of like a trailer situation. Wasn't built well, but nevertheless. And then going down this street here, there's a business, John's RVs and Sales. It's been a staple here for probably, 20, 30 years, as long as I can remember. Well, here first, this church got hit too. The steeple missing. The sign, which is, inexpensive sign, but that sign's missing. On the back side of it there, they're missing shingles. And there's some garbage there that's, I think this came, that's a RV. You can see the lettering on it. They've already filled up a dumpster. But here's this RV lot. Totally flipped some on its side. Oh my goodness. There's one there, upside down. But this business here, several turned over. This has been here, I say 15, 20, maybe 30 years. They're moving, in the process of moving the entire business about 8, 10, 12 miles down the road. And maybe with the few vacancies on the lot where they've moved some trailers that had a chance for wind to pick up and lift some of these things up and over the fence. Looks like a lot of debris back there too. It's hard to see back there, but a lot of garbage. Oh, there's a power line I'm running over. Yeah, March the 3rd. There was some other damage down the road, I understand. I'm sure it'll be on the news in the local newspaper. But March the 3rd, 2019. And tragedy that a number of lives were lost out in Alabama and maybe also over in Georgia as well. But, again, this is Lexington, South Carolina, being filmed on Monday, March the 4th.